In moments that test resilience, Dubai continues to rise stronger. At Vincitore Aqua Dimore, execution continues without pause. Powered by leadership that moves with precision and a nation built on safety, strength, and absolute control.
First of all, I would like to really thank the rulers of this country. UAE has one of the world's most safest and advanced military and defense systems, and because of which companies like us are able to still perform to the best in these difficult times also. We at Vincitore could achieve one of the major milestones at Vincitore Aqua Dimore, where a concrete cast for 8,000 plus meter cube of concrete. We continued 72 hours of continuous concrete pouring. Where hundreds of workers at peace and at ease were able to work even during this kind of times. Alhamdulillah, God is kind. All our sites, all our engineers, our human resources, our manpower at sites are working with full energy. We are blessed to be part of this kind of city where even in such difficult and challenging times, we are absolutely protected and are able to work with peace of mind at our sites.